Hello everyone! Wow! Today we have so many ice cream molds and Play-Doh here. Let's see what colors of Play-Doh we have. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. Let's count the number of ice cream molds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 ice cream molds. Let's start making ice cream. Which mold should we start with? I'll choose the pink mold. And I'm going to use the red Play-Doh. Let's put the Play-Doh in the mold. Add the ice cream stick and press the mold. All right, let's open it and check. Wow, a red ice cream. It seems like it's strawberry flavored. It looks so yummy. Let's make the second ice cream. This time, I'll pick the green mold and use the orange Play-Doh. Add the stick and press the mold tightly. Done! Let's open it! Yay! A cute orange ice cream! Maybe this one tastes like orange. For ice cream number 3, I'll use the yellow mold. Which Play-Doh should we use? Let's go with purple. This must be a grape-flavored ice cream. Add the stick and press the mold. Okay, let's see the result. Wow, a very cute purple ice cream. Who likes this ice cream? The pink mold will be used to make ice cream number 4. This time, I'll use the green Play-Doh. Green ice cream must be kiwi flavored. Press the mold hard. Let's see the result. Ooh, the green ice cream looks yummy. I really like this one. Next is the blue ice cream mold. What number ice cream is this? I'll use the yellow Play-Doh. The harder you press the mold, the nicer the ice cream looks. All right, let's see. Wow, a yellow ice cream. Maybe this one is banana flavored. It's so soft and looks delicious. Finally, we have the yellow mold. We only have the blue Play-Doh left. A blue ice cream will be blueberry flavored. Let's check it out. Okay, a blue ice cream with a fun shape. So, I've finished making all the ice creams. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ice creams. I'm going to hold all the ice creams up. A red ice cream, an orange ice cream, a yellow ice cream, a green ice cream, a blue ice cream, and a purple ice cream. They all look so yummy. I hope you like them. See you in the next video.